Okay, so here I have a completely fresh Unity project. The first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to head to the Unity asset store and find this asset pack called Starter Assets First Person by Unity Technologies. If you don't own this asset yet, this button will say Add to My Assets. And afterwards you can click Open in Unity. This will open up the package manager window where you can import it into your project. This will give you a warning as it also installs other dependencies such as Cinemachine, but just click Install and Upgrade. Then you get the Import Unity package window, just click Import. Then when it's done importing, you can close out the package manager window. This will give you a new folder called Starter Assets. Inside of here you have your first person controller, and in the scenes folder you have the small demo scene called Playground. You can open up the scene and head to the game viewer and hit play to try the scene out. Here we can move around with the WASD controllers, we can press space to jump, or we can hold down left shift to sprint and give us a bit of a speed boost. If you want to add the first person controller to your own scene, head into the Starter Assets folder, then the first person controller, and then the prefabs folder, and then just add the main camera, the player capsule, and the player follow camera to your hierarchy. This will place all of these objects in your scene, and let's just delete the main camera as you won't be needing two of those. The next step is to expand the player capsule, where you can see the player camera root game object. Then you need to select your player follow camera and drag your player camera root into the follow property. The last thing I will do is add a plane for our player to walk around on. So I go to my hierarchy and right click, go to 3D object and plane. I'll just rename it to ground. Maybe also just add a cube to visualize your player actually walking around. With that done, we can now hit play and we can walk around and we can sprint and we can jump. So that is how to implement a first person controller in your game in a few minutes. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.